Hi, this is Jeremy Oster from Oster Jewelers, and we have another unboxing video today. Package just came in from a town called Moutier in Switzerland, and the looks like the company is Complimine. So, can you guess who this might be from? Kari Voutilainen always sends this beautiful book, The Art of Horology of Voutilainen. Absolutely beautiful and a lovely, lovely read, and a wonderful gift for the person about to receive this beautiful watch. And here we have the watch box from Voutilainen. This one came in quite quickly. We only ordered it 3 years ago. Going to handle very carefully by the watch strap, not the watch itself. Spectacular inverse. Let's get it running though. I'm going to wind it very carefully and give it life for the first time. On American shores anyway. There we go. So spectacular piece. This particular model is called Inverse. The case is a combination of platinum and tantalum. And as you can see, the Inverse reverses the movement so that you can appreciate the beautiful free-sprung balance from the front of the watch. Notice the frosted bridges and the exquisite finishing throughout. Spectacular new Inverse movement. So as you can see, the back of the movement has auxiliary dials. The upper one shows you running seconds, and the lower dial at the 6 o'clock position is giving you the power reserve indication. Finish quality is incredible. Handcrafted, of course.